artificial intelligence is not just a concept of the future, it's here, reshaping our world and the jobs within it. Imagine a world where AI isn't just influencing tech companies, but is a core part of every industry. By 2030, AI could replace up to 30% of jobs worldwide, a staggering statistic that's only part of the story. As AI's reach expands, it's crucial for us to understand how it's transforming the job landscape. In this video, we'll explore the growing influence of AI and how it's altering the way we work. This journey will take us through current impacts and future possibilities, providing insights into the evolving job market. Whether you're planning your career or just curious about the future, stay with us as we delve into AI's profound impact on employment. Get ready to discover the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead as AI continues to redefine the world of work. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a futuristic dream, but an integral part of our daily work. Today, AI is making waves across multiple sectors, transforming how we approach tasks and solve problems. In healthcare, AI streamlines diagnostics and personalizes patient care, allowing doctors to focus more on patient interaction. Meanwhile, in finance, algorithms analyze data faster than ever, predicting market trends and managing risks efficiently. The manufacturing industry has also seen significant shifts. Robots powered by AI perform repetitive tasks with precision, freeing human workers to concentrate on creative and strategic roles. Education isn't left behind either. AI-powered platforms tailor learning experiences to individual students' needs, making education more accessible and personalized. These advancements bring challenges too, like the need for new skills and potential job displacement. However, with challenges come opportunities. As AI evolves, it opens doors to careers that didn't exist a decade ago. Throughout this journey, visuals will illuminate these sector-specific changes, bringing statistics and predictions to life. By understanding AI's role across sectors, we can better prepare for the future job landscape. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into which jobs are most vulnerable to automation and explore the emerging careers. As we delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, it's crucial to recognize the jobs most vulnerable to automation. In this segment, we identify those roles at high risk of being replaced by AI. From routine tasks in manufacturing to data processing roles, these jobs face an uncertain future. Why are these jobs susceptible? It's primarily due to their repetitive nature and the efficiency AI brings to such tasks. Automation is a double-edged sword, offering unparalleled precision and speed, but also posing a significant threat to employment in certain sectors. Expert insights suggest potential job losses could be substantial, as companies increasingly turn to AI for cost-effective solutions. However, this isn't merely about fear, it's about awareness and preparation. Understanding which jobs are at risk allows us to anticipate and adapt to changes. This knowledge empowers us to seek new skills and opportunities that AI cannot easily replicate. As we navigate this evolving landscape, remember that while some doors may close, others will inevitably open. The key is staying informed and proactive in your career journey. Next, we explore the emerging AI-driven careers that offer exciting new prospects for the future workforce. Stay tuned to discover how you can position yourself at the forefront of these new opportunities. As AI technology advances, it's not just about the jobs that might disappear. A new horizon of AI-driven careers is emerging, offering exciting opportunities for those ready to embrace change. Fields like data analysis, AI programming, and machine learning are growing rapidly, creating roles that didn't exist a decade ago. Companies are on the lookout for individuals who can navigate these new landscapes with fresh skills and innovative thinking. But what does it take to thrive in these AI-driven fields? First and foremost, a strong foundation in STEM. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics is crucial. Beyond technical skills, creativity and adaptability are increasingly valued as AI continues to evolve. Employers seek individuals who can think critically and solve complex problems in dynamic environments. For young professionals, this is a call to action. Proactively developing skills in AI and related technologies can position you at the forefront of this job revolution. Online courses, workshops, and certifications offer accessible ways to enhance your expertise. As we explore these emerging opportunities, remember, While AI may reshape the job market, it also opens doors to exciting new paths. The key is to be prepared and adaptable, ready to seize the possibilities that AI presents. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into strategies for adapting to these changes in our next segment. In today's rapidly evolving job market, adaptability has never been more critical. As artificial intelligence reshapes industries, the ability to pivot and embrace change becomes a defining career skill. To thrive in this new landscape, we must cultivate a mindset of lifelong learning and continuous adaptation. Let's explore strategies that empower us to navigate these changes. First, staying informed about AI advancements is crucial. Next, embrace flexibility in your career path. Lifelong learning is not just a buzzword, it's a necessity. As career expert Dr. Smith notes, those who adapt are those who succeed. Moreover, networking within AI-influenced industries can open doors to emerging opportunities. Remember, change is not something to fear, but to harness. So how will you adapt to the AI-driven future? In our next segment, we explore how these changes resonate beyond the USA. AI's influence isn't just reshaping the job landscape in the United States. Its reach is truly global. As AI technologies advance, countries around the world are witnessing profound changes in their job markets. In Europe, for instance, AI is revolutionizing manufacturing processes, while in Asia, it's transforming customer service sectors. Meanwhile, African nations are leveraging AI to innovate in agriculture. These diverse examples highlight how each region is uniquely adapting to AI's challenges and opportunities. Comparatively, the United States remains a leader in AI innovation, yet it faces its own unique set of challenges as it navigates this technological evolution. While some nations focus on protecting traditional industries, others are rapidly embracing new AI-driven sectors. This global mosaic of adaptation underscores a shared reality. AI's impact is universal, but each region's response is distinct. As we move forward, understanding these international perspectives can provide valuable insights into our own adaptation strategies. Next, let's look at what the future holds for work in an AI-driven world. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the future of work is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence is not just a fleeting trend. It is a transformative force that will continue to redefine employment landscapes. Imagine a world where AI not only automates mundane tasks, but also creates novel opportunities that we have yet to envision. This evolution presents a unique challenge and an exciting opportunity. What skills will be crucial in tomorrow's job market? How can we prepare ourselves to thrive in roles that don't yet exist? These are questions we must ponder as we look to the horizon. The potential long-term impacts are vast, affecting industries and careers across the board. But with this change comes the chance for innovation and growth. It's time to think ahead, to consider what role you will play in a future shaped by AI. As we wrap up this exploration, let your curiosity lead you to a career that embraces the endless possibilities ahead. As we wrap up this journey into the world of artificial intelligence and its transformative effect on jobs, let's revisit the key insights we've explored. From the introduction of AI's growing influence to the unveiling of vulnerable job sectors and the emergence of new opportunities, we've seen how AI is reshaping the employment landscape. We've learned that adaptability and lifelong learning are vital to thrive in this evolving market. Remember, AI's impact isn't confined to one region. It's a global phenomenon, with each area adapting uniquely. Now, it's time to take action. Dive into AI education, equip yourself with new skills, and prepare for a future filled with opportunities. Embrace the change and be ready to seize the moment as AI continues to redefine the world of work. Understanding AI today prepares you for tomorrow's possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. And here's to a future where you can navigate the AI-driven job market with confidence.